Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean your microwave with this one simple ingredient. Can anybody guess what that ingredient is? It's a lemon. I sound like Dora the Explorer, I know I should stop. Anyways, I waited about a week to get the microwave nice and dirty so we can clean it, but for some reason it didn't get that dirty, so but we'll go ahead and shoot this video anyway, just so you guys can see this really does work, even on the toughest stains. So what you want to do here is get half a cup of water and make sure you squeeze the lemon in really good. I'm only using half of a lemon because, as you can see, the microwave is not exactly too dirty. However, I usually would like to use a whole lemon with the lemon juice squeezed out into the half cup of water. If there's like a really tough stain in there and I don't want to obviously spray chemicals in. But hey, look, I just realized the door is quite dirty, so let's see how quickly that comes off after this. So we're going to go ahead and put this in the microwave and shut this door. And then we want to go for 2 minutes. Start that there and then we'll see what happens. Alright, so I actually let it sit for like about a minute or two more. And so just the steam, I don't know if you can see it. So the steam can do its work. And then now let's see, it's a little hot still, so be careful. Let's see how it comes out. Alright, so you want to get this plate out as well. And just go in there. And you don't even need any chemical sprays. The steam has already loosened up the tough stains. Try to get in there. Let me show you. Let's look at this door. Nice and wet. Voila. Look at that. Not only is the microwave slippy clean, but now it smells like lemons. So, win-win.